myself Dr. Samir Dey. So, hello my dear student. Today I'll discuss another topic. You are watching my YouTube channel where I uploaded different types of mathematics videos, especially for engineering mathematics and B.Sc and M.Sc mathematics. Today I'll give another example, especially based on your convolution theorem. So what is the statement of convolution theorem? If L inverse Fs equals to Ft and L inverse Gs equals to Gt, then L inverse Fs and Gs as a product is equals to 0 to t Fu g of t minus u du, or 0 to t a gu f of t minus u du is equals to f star g, where f star g is called convolution of f and g. Okay, so here there are two formula you have. Either you may consider fu or gu, is totally up to you according to the problem wise. Now try to understand with some numerical examples how to implement convolution theorem to solve a question from inverse Laplace transform. Now try to understand that. So here I have considered one example to explain how to implement convolution theorem to this particular problem. Now let's see solution. So here what is your question? 1 by s cube s square plus 4 you have. This is your question mark. So let Fs is equals to 1 by s cube and Gs is equals to 1 by s square plus 4. Clear? Suppose you have a question in your mind, can I consider reverse of it? That means Fs equals to 1 by s square plus 4 and Gs equals to 1 by s cube. Anyone you may consider. There is no restriction. Anyone. Totally up to you. Now what next? So you have to find its inverse of it. So L inverse of Fs is equals to L inverse of 1 by s cube is equals to, your formula will be t square by factorial 2 is equals to t square by 2, what is your, which is your Ft. Is it clear? By which formula you have this? I think you can recall it. L inverse of 1 by s to the power n plus 1 is equals to t to the power n by factorial n. Okay, same thing is here. L inverse of Gs is equals to L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4. So which is nothing but L inverse of s square plus 2 square. So from here you may write the formula is sine 2t by 2. So which is your gt. Clear? The basic formula already you know. L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square is equals to sine at by a. So this is your basic formula. So already I have implemented that. Ft is coming t square by 2 and gt is coming sine 2t by 2. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. So my advice to all of you, every time you should write down your formula again and again, because this is really new topic to you. If you write your formula again and again, which one you are using it at this stage, so it will help you a lot. Okay, clear? So first step to decide your Fs and Gs, from that you have to find your Ft and Gt. Okay, now come to the second slide. Shall I move to the next slide? Okay, very good. Now, so please write down. Now, using using convolution theorem. Now you write down your question at first. So L inverse of s cube s square plus 4. So you may write L inverse of 1 by s cube 1 by s square plus 4, which is your fs into gs. So from here you may write 0 to t fu g of t minus u du. So what is your ft? Ft is equals to t square by 2. So what will be the fu? It will be u square by 2. And what is your gt? Gt is equals to sine 2t by 2. So what will be the g of t minus u? That is your sine 2t minus u. Clear? By 2. So here you may write 1 by 2 outside sine of 2t minus 2u. I think it is clear to everyone. Now please write down your formula wise. 0 to t fu means what? U square by 2 1 by 2 sine 2t minus 2u. Okay, I think it is clear to everyone. Now 1 by 4 is outside 0 to t u square. Now here it is coming sine a minus b. So here t is a constant, you have to take outside. So sine a minus b, can you recall it's your sine a minus b formula? Sine a into cos b minus cos a sin b. Please check. I think it is clear to everyone. Okay, so here basically we want to separate t and u, because here in this stage t is a constant, you have to take outside, and here u is a variable. Okay, so that's why I have separate this. That is sin a minus b formula, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Please note it down. The formula already you know. Sin a minus b is equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So here I have used this formula. Clear? Is it okay? Now come to the next part, next calculation. So already you have it. Okay, so here you have a 4, it is 0. Now try to understand how to separate this. So please try to understand 1 by 4. So here sine 2t is a constant, you take outside. Sine 2t is outside, and 0 to t u square cos of 2u du. Okay, minus 1 by 4 is outside, and cos 2t is a constant, cos of 2t 0 to t u square sine of 2u into du. Please check. Clear? Now you simply integrate. By parts. So 1 by 4. So here we may write sine 2t by 4 simply integration is here. Same process you that is your bypass technique. So please write down u square integration of this, that is your sine 2u by 2 minus derivative of it, that is your 2u, integration of it, that is your cos 2u by 4 plus derivative of it, that is your 2, integration of it, minus sine 2u by minus already have minus, it is minus 8. Please check, it is coming 0 to t, and next it is coming minus 1 by 4. Okay, so cos of 2t by 4. Now you again you integrate, that is your u square is coming, so derivative is coming u square, and integration of this minus cos of 2u by 2 minus derivative of it, that is coming 2u, and integration of it minus sine 2u by 4 plus derivative of it, that is 2, integration of it, it is minus, that is a cos 2u by 8. Okay, simple bypass technique. Simply bypass technique I have considered here. U square, v integration, u derivative, v integration once again, this derivative, this integration, and so on. Clear? I repeat once again, it's very easy. You write integration of this sine minus cos minus derivative of it, integration of this, derivative of this, integration of this, and so on. Is it okay? Next line, you have to open your bracket, then substitute your value and find the result. Upper limit and lower limit, find the result. Now let's see. So already you have this. Now try to understand. So it will be sine 2t by 4. Okay. Now you open your bracket. That means minus u square by 2 sine 2u minus plus 2 cancel, that is coming u by 2 cos 2u minus is coming 2 by 2 cancel, that is 1 by 4 sine 2u, and 0 to t minus cos 2t by 4. Now again you open your bracket, that is coming minus, please check, minus u square by 2 cos 2u minus plus, here 2 4 cancel, u by 2 sine 2u plus 1 by 4 cos 2u, 0 to t. Okay, now you first open your bracket, then you have to do your upper limit minus lower limit. Now from here sine 2t by 4, so from here we may write upper limit means full, that is t square by 2 minus sine 2t plus t square by 2 cos of 2t minus 1 by 4 sin 2t minus it comes to 0. This 0 is coming 0 plus 0 plus 0. It is coming like this. Now minus cos of 2t by 4. So from here upper limit, that is minus t square by 2 cos of 2t plus t by 2 sin 2t minus plus 1 by 4 cos of 2t. Is it clear? Minus lower limit 0. 0 into something means 0 plus 0, and from cos 0 is equals to 1 plus 1 by 4. Please check whether it is coming or not. Everyone please check carefully. It is very simple. Everyone please check it is coming or not. Please check it is coming or not. Okay. Now just open your bracket and find the result. So already you have. It's very simple. Now if I can take on the next slide. Okay, shall we move to the next slide? Is it clear? Very simple. First you have to use your simple bypass process. Then you open your bracket. Just you open your bracket one by one. One by one open your bracket. So after opening your bracket, you substitute your upper limit minus lower limit. Mean upper limit full minus lower limit full. Okay. Now come to the second slide. Now come to this. So please check. Now what will be the answer? It is coming sin 2t by 4. So it is coming t square by 2 sin 2t plus t by 2, something is wrong most probably. So here it will be sin 2t and it will be t only. It will be t, because when you are writing the t upper limit t square by 2 sin 2t and t by 2 cos 2t. Okay. So this will be the wrong by mistake. Okay. Now cos of 2t minus 1 by, this is t, 1 by 4 sin of 2t. Clear? And minus cos of 2t by 4, open your bracket, that is your t square by 2 cos 2t plus t by 2 sin 2t plus 1 by 4 cos 2t, and here it is coming minus 1 by 4. So that is the answer. Okay, that is the answer. Clear? Now you every time already you know, I always try to give some homework. Please try to solve same process. You should solve 1 by s cube and s square plus 9. Okay, so please try to solve it. Same process. So already have discussed s square plus 2. So here I have given s square plus 4, already have discussed. So here I have replaced 4 by 9, that is s cube 1 by s cube into s cube into s cube into s square plus 9. Okay, just try to solve and go through and follow up. Just you try to follow the question line by line and find the solution. Okay, thank you, and please do subscribe my channel. And if you are getting any benefit from here, please try to inform all of your other friends so that they can get some benefit from this video. Okay, thank you.